Hello and welcome to our second lesson on sound. At the end of the last class, I had asked two questions. Do you remember the questions? And have you found answers to them? But where is Joy? Why don't I see him today?
He's gone for singing practice.
Okay. Now coming back, the first question I had asked was, how does sound travel from the vibrating body to our ears? Do you have the answer to that?
Yes, I read it up. Sound travels as waves.
What kind of waves?
Longitudinal waves. Funny name.
It's not funny.
Yes, funny.
Not funny.
Yes, funny.
Okay, it's funny. Now look this side.
What is a longitudinal wave?
Good question, Devi. Let me show you a picture first and then an animation. Look at this picture. This is a snapshot of a longitudinal wave. What you see in this are regions of compression and regions of rarefaction.
I can only see a lot of dots.
That's right. Imagine each of those dots to be molecules of air. So, as sound travels through air, the molecules alternately get compressed into high pressure zones and rarefied into low pressure zones. These compressions and rarefactions travel through air from the source of the sound. You will understand better when you see the animation. Here's an animation of a single pulse of sound traveling through air. You can see the region of compression moving forward and immediately behind it, a region of rarefaction.
Ah, now I understand. This is what happens when a single sharp, short sound travels through air?
Yes, a sharp, short sound is a pulse.
If Joy was here, he would have produced a pulse just now.
Ha! You are funny.
But if a series of pulses were produced, then we would have compressions like that following each other with rarefactions in between?
Yes, that's right. Now does this picture make more sense to you?
Yes, I'm liking this. But you had another question as well. What really travels when sound travels?
Yes, I did. So what is the answer?
I don't have a clue.
Ah, the simplicity of the answer will surprise you.
Really? Can I make a try? And make a mistake?
Oh, of course you can. Tell me.
I think it's energy.
That's absolutely correct. It is energy. Is that a guess? Or have you been reading about it?
I have been thinking about it. I remember being taught that energy cannot be destroyed or created. It can be transferred from one body to another. So, it must be the energy that is being transferred.
Devi, that is brilliant. You are doing so well. You're absolutely correct. It is energy that is transferred when sound travels.
I'm so happy. Understanding my studies makes me very happy.
That's such a beautiful thought. Understanding your studies makes you happy. Did you hear that, students? That is something all of you must remember. Well, this is a good place to end today's class. In the next class, we will look at transverse waves and then some more definitions. Bye-bye then. Devi, say bye-bye.